Alright guys, real quick before this video starts, I don't want to jump to what we're doing today, but just want to announce that the new stickers are available. We got the JSR hammer cone there, and then we also have the JSR cat sticker that we showed a while ago, and we also have the JSR license plate slap. So if you guys want to pick those up and help out the channel for sure, link in the description below, so go check it out. Alright guys, we got Brandon showing up. He's about to move his car in because it's making some weird noises. We can't be having that shit, so we're gonna try to fix it best we can, see what it is, figure out what it is, and yeah, I gotta put these trash cans away too. Yo, just like I mentioned in the last video, if anyone wants to square up in roller hockey with me and Teenage Ricer, we're fucking down, dude. Head up the roller rink in Temecula sometime and play with us. We already played with one viewer and it was fucking fun, so hit us up. I forgot your car was the strut. Is this supposed to have 2 struts or 1?
1.
Alright, so Brandon doesn't know if the noise is like the strut or if it's the top hat. He doesn't know what it is.
But I mean, we never actually tighten these ones down.
Yeah.
At all, so probably should. Maybe.
Probably tighten that. No one likes annoying noises when they drive, so.
But it's that one, so.
Oh, it's that one, alright. He also brought his Corrado. Is that that's the old one, right?
Yeah.
He has to get that strut mount off, and he's gonna use the impact to do that. Oh, and also the piston update for the Corrado. You got a guy from Canada gonna hook you up one most likely.
Supposedly.
Shout out to the dude from Canada. That's hopefully gonna come through. If not, we'll be back at the search. And shout out to everyone who sent us links to VR6 pistons.
Yeah, you really helped out. Thanks.
You really helped out, man. But it's all good. It's all good. We appreciate the. This is the thought that counts, even though we said G60. But it's the thought that counts. We had enough people willing to send us VR6 pistons that we'd pretty much have enough to build a fucking VR6.
Yeah, really.
Breaking out the big guns. We should use impact tools more often. Because like every time we're here, we end up using ratchets, but it's like we have this.
Yeah.
So that's what a lot of the recent comments have been, is saying invest in air impact. We have the impact, we just don't have a lot of sockets, so I might pick up some more impact sockets for us to use. Yeah, because there's barely any. I think put in work. And there we go.
That like slipped around the hat.
Oh shit.
You see that?
Yeah, that's... Fuck. Alright.
Oops.
Maybe get like a hammer or...
I don't know about that.
Yeah, that got... That's all sorts of...
Wrap around.
Yeah.
See what I'm doing?
Yeah.
Well, you sit on.
Oh! Almost rolled my ankle harder than Eric did in that one video.
Well, it's like locked in on the.
Oh yeah.
The bottom.
It's like pinched right there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There we go. Okay. That wasn't that bad.
Could have been worse. Alright guys, it's off. It sort of got mangled under there, as you can see. It's bent pretty good. That's why it sort of got pinched on the bottom. But it's out now. That's what counts. And no, these are not for sale. Some viewer sent it. Actually pretty sick though. Custom made for Brandon. Has both his cars on it. So Brandon has 2 Volkswagens.
I have 2 Volkswagens.
Fuck the dude that has 2 ZL1s. You got 2 Volkswagens, dude.
That nut.
Yeah.
Out of the socket.
Oh jeez. That's when they're pretty hefty.
Kinda, but not really.
Take the hammer to it, maybe. Let's see.
Oh, no. There we go.
Okay. Didn't even have to take the hammer to it. It just,
Easy.
socket's good.
That's not.
Yeah, nuts sort of fucked.
I don't care though.
Got rounded a little bit. Oh well. Now to figure out what noise is being made over here. probably something to do with the suspension, most likely.
I'm pretty sure it is, but
Yeah.
I don't know if it's like fixable or not. No.
Ooh, that's close.
Cracking windows.
Almost lost it.
Yeah.
It's already loose. Dude, the power of air impacts, I swear.
Probably use that on the Corrado.
Yeah.
And then use what I have on the Corrado here. Honestly. It sticks up a little bit, you know? The ones I have on the Corrado are probably those like shallow black ones.
You can probably mix and match them.
Honestly?
The beauty of owning 2 Volkswagens, dude, you just share parts for the most part.
I might try that.
Yeah, it's worth a shot.
But I don't know how I would get these off. You know, I really don't know if it's like maybe this was just loose. And now that I've impacted it, it fixed it, you know?
Yeah. A little bit of a troubleshoot ride right here. We're gonna see, just in case that worked.
Yeah, that might have just been it. That was really cool. Yeah, I think it's gone.
Yeah.
Really. That bolt was probably just loose. Oh, it did a little bit. Not a big one. Yeah, no, it would have been doing it by now.
Really?
Yeah.
Alright, so
There we go.
that was a little more simpler than we expected. Okay.
The cap was loose on the top.
Yep. Alright, well, you know, I guess that's good. So it's fixed.
Makes me happy because my car sounded like ass. I mean, I couldn't hear it with my windows down, like, you know, bouncing off fucking walls and shit.
Yeah. Alright, well, things went a little too easy today, so I'm not sure if we should trust the car gods, but we got the top strut mount off, and all Brandon had to do was just tighten that a little, so.
Because I never hit it with an impact when we put it on.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna make sure.
Hit that one. Alright, once we got finished way quicker than we expected, we might have a little car wash sesh in the driveway, so see, it's pretty hot out, so the water spots will be many. Alright boys, we out here washing. Brandon's getting his shit all soapy, he's getting them suds going. My soap's already drying because it's like 105 degrees out here, so I'm gonna rinse it off soon, then I'm pulling it into the garage and dry it. Already looking better. I didn't wash this thing since the last JSR meetup that we had, same day as that. And that was well back in March, so. Oh yeah. It's June now, it's almost been 3 months. Actually, it's been like 2 and a few days, so. All right, guys, looks like we're getting done cleaning our cars. Brandon's car looks like a mirror, it's looking good. My car's sort of mirror-ish, it's looking good. Brandon's car almost looks purple in this. Looks sick as fuck though. But let us know. We came up with an idea. We sort of want to do like a documentary of like 1 year of the Jetta, because like it's coming up. It seems like we've had it for like 2 years. It seems like we've been driving it for 2 years.
Next couple of weeks, right?
Yeah, within the next couple of weeks, it's gonna be 1 year old, and it's come a long way. Let's face it. From bone stock to this, it's come a long way. So let us know if you guys want to see like a whole video just detailing like the come up of the Jetta, really, because it became one of the most modified cars, if not the most modified car on the channel real quick. So yeah, let us know if you want to see that. It'd be a fun video to make. Nice little long documentary, maybe. Who knows? Well, so let us know.
As in 17 instead of 16 minutes.
Exactly. You know me so well. People are still asking for that 30-minute video that we said we were going to try it like last year. Who knows? Maybe we'll hit that 30-minute video soon, guys.
Get their hopes up.
Hey, we got close to. We got 25 minutes the other day.
I saw that.
That was good. But I'm pretty much done cleaning my car. Just gotta maybe vacuum it out a little bit. Wow, that wing almost hits the garage, but it doesn't. So yeah, let us know if that's something you guys want to see, and we can certainly do that. I know you guys want to see a lot more videos, and now it's summer, I'm sure there will be plenty more, so stay tuned. And that's probably where I'm going to end this clip and move it on to the mail time. So hope you guys enjoyed, and if there's not an outro at the end of the mail, like always, this is the outro, and we will see you next time.
Bye.
Alright guys, we're here. We got Teenage Ricer for a change, and we're going to be opening some mail.
Yep.
So
didn't die again for like the 8th time. We're
and
just
his car's not broken, and he's here, so.
Actually, it's a little broken. We're just gonna jump right in.
Okay, this is his first mail time, as you can see, because he's opening the biggest one first. He gets no fucks.
Nope. We don't have to open
But we're assuming that this is gonna be like a splitter of some
That was
sort.
triggering me. We don't have to open that first.
So Icon Motorsports.
Oh, I guess we're opening it first.
Let's see. This definitely.
Yep, exactly what I thought.
Let's see it. Let's open it.
8-all. Fucking lit, dude.
Oh yeah, it's a lip.
But for whom?
For what though? That's the thing. Is it for your Honda? Is it for a Jetta? Is it for what? That's the thing.
Don't know. Let's look for a note.
Is there a note in here?
Yeah.
There is a note in here. Let's see.
No, there is not a note.
There's not a note in here. Okay. No note.
And then maybe the letter goes to this.
Who knows? Yeah, we'll see. And we got another letter here that says Jake Ellis Fag. So fuck you.
Leak that address. Leak it real quick.
I about to leak your address so y'all can stop trying to get your addresses leaked. But we're gonna open this one first. Open that one.
Stickers. Ruined it. Absolutely ruined it.
You ruined it. Oh look, another
authentic rice. Yum yum.
Another rice related sticker. Brandon's not here, so I'm gonna do it for him.
Wait,
I'm gonna do it for him.
Was that it, dude?
Oh, that didn't go very far. Just the rice
There's
sticker.
no letter.
No letter.
It's from yeah.
That's from
Yeah, that guy.
Yeah, shout to we can't really see your name or pronounce it, but thank you.
It's the thought that counts.
It is.
All right, which one's first? The one with all the creepy stamps?
Yeah, do that. What kind of stamps?
Dude, they're like, I don't know.
Yeah, that's a little weird. That's a little
freaking
weird.
Me out. Dude.
Yeah.
This guy sent his from Georgia. He stapled it a lot. I admire his stapling skills. I wish I cared enough to package something so nicely.
Ooh,
yo,
wait.
yo!
They sent a fucking Haggard mint lanyard.
Love you, Dan. Hope. Oh, it's all for Dan. Never mind. You didn't have to shout me out. Fuck. Wow. You didn't have to shout me out. I put it here in case you liked it enough to follow me on Instagram, Lil Jacober.
Lil Jacober. Shout out to Lil Jacober.
Well,
These will get the dance.
That's pretty fucking sick, though.
Shout out to Haggard and their mint lanyard. Alright, we're on to this one now, so let's see.
This one is from. This one says it's from P.O Box. Oh boy. Oh. Is that a gift receipt? Yep. I have one of these. I dead ass have one of those.
Oh god, it's fucking. I know what this is for. Brandon, we got your fucking piston.
Hey Brandon, here's that piston I promised.
It's fucking
Hope it helps the Corrado from Ryan Maloney.
Fuck you, Ryan.
It's so fucking funny.
Damn it. Too bad the one time Brandon isn't opening mail and we get this.
Yeah, he'll be here.
Well, I'll give it to him. Brandon might be here soon. Alright,
This
last
one's
package.
solid. And this one is from. Oh, it's from China Post, so it's shipped overseas from who? I don't even know who it's from. But here we go.
Hey.
It's something, dude.
Let's see it.
It's a big thing. I don't know what it is. It's a really big thing.
Oh god. Oh,
Alright, dude, that's for you.
We got a hood scoop.
That's so funny.
Did you see how fast that fucking opened?
That's a quality
Well,
scope.
we gotta, you know where this has to go for.
Yeah,
a
no, you
video.
wish.
Yeah, yep.
You wish.
We're gonna put this on the Honda for
No,
a
we're
video.
not.
Yeah, we are.
I'm sorry.
We're dead at. That's it for our mail opening. Actually, we're gonna figure out what this is for. Do you think it could be for the record or what? What's it for?
AC 9801 4-door front lip M style. I'm going to assume the only one with a 98 to 01 with 4 doors whose car initials are AC4. Well, not even initials. Like AC.
Just, yeah.
Fuck if I know.
Damn. All right, so this is for the Honda. Let's go test fit it.
Let's unwrap it.
Yeah, let's unwrap it and then we're gonna go test fit this thing.
I got worried when I saw 4-door and I'm like, oh no.
So this is for the Accord, but
Dude, it might make it way too low.
Dude, I think it's gonna be sick with it lowered.
It might actually touch the fucking floor. Like, I'm gonna need to get.
Scrape.
Now I need to get bags.
Let's see. This is
I don't think this is right. Is this right? No, fuck.
Oh man. That's
I don't know if I'm fitting this like on the right side. I don't know, maybe
Is it
not.
upside down?
Could be. I don't know.
It was dead ass upside down.
Yeah, it was.
It was upside down. No one saw it.
Stick it. Was it upside down?
Yeah, it was. It definitely was.
Okay.
Cause that goes like that. Yeah, it was. That's
There's-
how it goes.
I want to find a way to like hold it up so I can see how it looks. Yeah, it was upside down. Fuck, dude.
Dude, that's pretty sick.
It actually does look kind of
That's actually pretty sick. Thank you to whoever sent this. You're gonna see an install video soon.
That's great. That thing's gonna be gone in a
Dude,
week. it'll be gone in a week. So we could do this when we get the new struts and springs.
Yeah, do it all on the same day.
Mm-hmm.
That's sick though.
And I should have my blue LED by then. We get the sweetest fucking pic, dude.
If you guys don't follow us on Instagram, you actually haven't seen how lowered the backs are now. He's actually got some camber to it too.
Oh, dude, the camber's so big.
Yeah.
I had to get new tires.
So probably doesn't show up too well on camera, but it is.
Oh, dude, no, yeah, like in person, it's pretty cambered.
Yeah, that's sick. So we're gonna be installing these soon, along with new higher quality lowering springs.
Yeah.
And some struts too.
Aren't they like performance struts? Quote unquote performance. Maybe this is for the back. Absolutely, it is gotta be for the back, right, Jay?
It's definitely a diffuser.
That, yep,
Dude,
there
that's
it is.
That's
Dude,
a fat
that's
diffuser.
Sick.
That's a fat
That's
diffuser.
sick, dude.
Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Yo, what's up, dude?
Yo, bro, you live right behind me. What the fuck?
Really?
That's lit.
Where do you live?
I live like the next street over.
Oh, really?
Damn.
That's sick as fuck.
I recognized that. I was like, oh shit.
Yeah, cause like I saw the street and I was like, I swear I saw a YouTube video with that. And then I was like, fuck.
That's funny as fuck, dude. We're filming one right now. That's funny, dude. Hell yeah. See you around.